LeBlanc here. Today we will be making venison Big Mac egg rolls. These are delicious, easy, and fun to make. You can get the whole family involved. You're gonna wanna make a big batch of these, and if you have any extra, you can pop them in the freezer. In a frying pan on medium-high heat, add some olive oil, half a cup of finely chopped sweet onion, 1 pound of ground venison, season with kosher salt and pepper, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Mix it all up. And when it's fully cooked through, remove from heat. Now we're going to make a special sauce. Combine half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of French dressing, 4 teaspoons of relish, 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and mix. Pop it in the fridge for about an hour or until you're ready to use it. All right, wrapping time. Take an egg roll wrapper, wet the sides, add a slice of cheese, the venison mixture, some diced pickles. Now wrap it up. I'm not an expert at this. You can probably watch YouTube. I didn't bother. I should have though. Voila. Now we're going to fry these up in some oil until they turn crispy and top them with some sesame seeds. All right, it is time to dig in. I'm very excited for this. Gotta do the dunk. Cheers. Oh my god. That is good. Wow. This is amazing. You gotta try this recipe. Oh my god.